Hey everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to the channel. Now if you already have wired CarPlay and wired Android Auto in your car, you know that those are really convenient to have. But getting in your car, getting your phone out of your pocket or your bag and plugging it in takes a bit of time, can be a little annoying, and it's just not that convenient. So today we're checking out an adapter that converts your wired CarPlay to wireless CarPlay or wired Android Auto to wireless Android Auto. This is the YolanAuto JC016. So let's check it out. So as you can see, we have a nice and compact adapter right here. Got a nice silver accent, a little logo in the middle, an LED right here, I believe, and a USB-A port. We also have a USB-A to USB-C adapter. I think this is a metal housing, which is nice. So if your car has a USB-C port for wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto, you would use this to convert this USB-A into USB-C for your car. And it's still very compact, even with the adapter on. As you can see with our convenient mat here, it's just, the box itself is just over an inch. It's about an inch wide, and I would say maybe just over an inch and a half, including the USB port. And right here, we also have a little user manual. Walks you through how to connect it. Now in the manual, there's even a little section right here with frequently asked questions. And this one is whether the adapter can support YouTube videos. And the notes are that wireless CarPlay cannot support YouTube, but wireless Android Auto can with a specific app, an APK that you have to install on your phone. So there's details in here if you're interested in that. So now that we've seen everything that's included, let's get in a car and test wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto with this adapter. So we are in my 2004 Mercedes S-Class that has an aftermarket head unit that only has wired CarPlay and wired Android Auto. So let's grab our adapter. My plug is right here. So it's USB-A, so we don't need the adapter. Just pop that in. See the LED right here, nice and bright. It's connecting right here. And there we go. It's running, it's got a solid blue light. And right here, it tells us the Bluetooth name of the device, which is wireless adapter 47A7 in my case. The last 4 letters and numbers will be unique to your device. And down here are the instructions. Now it does mention that if you connect an Android phone, it will reboot into Android mode, so that's just something to keep in mind. Now let's start with Apple CarPlay. I got my iPhone, got wireless adapter 47A7, so we'll connect there. Like pair. And we are in. So there we go. We have Apple CarPlay, and you can see the LED color change. It's kind of like a pinkish, orangish color. And let's see. Nice and responsive. That's very good. Image is clear, and it's standard Apple CarPlay, so all the compatible apps you have installed on your phone will show up here. Like for me, WhatsApp, Spotify, and Pocket Casts are here. Google Maps, but if you use Waves, it would be on there as well. Then we have a split screen mode here with your maps here and whatever you're listening to right here. So just notice the color on the LED is changing. Now it's like a blue-green, so it must be cycling through different colors. Yeah, it's turning more green now. Cool. Now let's try to play some music. My steering wheel controls for volume still work, and my head unit has a play pause button too, which I can use to pause the music. There we go. It also has a previous track and next track, so I can just go back and navigate like that. It just passes it through. And then since it's CarPlay, you can go in your settings, change your wallpaper, check out the icons, if you want dark icons, clear icons, that's all available. And more things like that. Right now, if you want to disconnect a phone and connect a different phone, what you can do is turn off your Bluetooth, turn off your Wi-Fi, and it will disconnect from CarPlay or Android Auto. Now with the adapter back on its landing screen, let's try Android Auto. On the Bluetooth menu, you can find the matching Bluetooth network, connect it. Now it's going to reboot into Android Auto mode. It's blinking. In the manual, it says 20 to 30 seconds. Here we go. And there we go. We are in Android Auto. Now, same as in CarPlay, all your compatible apps will show up in here. Google Maps, Pocket Cast, Spotify again, YouTube Music, everything you want. And then, you have some settings in here as well. So let's go to Spotify, check out controls again. Nice and responsive. And then just like in CarPlay, the play pause button I have will work. And the next and previous track. So, very convenient. Now let's do a quick connection test. I'm going to power off the car and we're going to see how fast it reconnects when you get in the car. So I'll just leave my phone in my pocket. I'm going to power off the car. The head unit shuts down. There we go. Powering on. This is powering on as well. Connected, and there we are, we're in. Very good. So that was very quick. Now, total time will depend on how fast your head unit starts up. So in this case, it was very quick, it was just ready to go. And then once this got powered, it was a few seconds and we were in. And that's the YolanAuto JC016. It's really convenient to convert your wired CarPlay to wireless, so you can just leave your phone in your pocket or in your bag, and do the same thing for wired Android Auto to wireless Android Auto. So a lot of extra convenience. You keep all the same features you had, but no more wires to worry about. If you're interested in getting one of these for yourself, I'll leave a link in the video description, and I want to say a big thank you to YolanAuto for sending me this to review. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and to hype the video because it really helps me out. And if you want to see more videos like this, or you want to watch me work on cars, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.